Broadlink RM4 Mini Smart Infrared Universal Remote Control is designed to bring traditional infrared-controlled devices into a more convenient smartphone-based setup. Instead of keeping multiple infrared remotes within reach, this compact device allows compatible equipment to be controlled through a smartphone, including when the user is away from home. That makes it particularly useful for anyone looking to simplify everyday remote control tasks without replacing their existing infrared devices. One of the key advantages is its universal infrared remote functionality. The RM4 Mini can work with compatible infrared-controlled electronics, allowing a single smart control solution to replace the need for several separate remotes. For everyday use, that can mean less clutter and easier access to device controls through a smartphone. The ability to control equipment from anywhere is another practical feature, especially for situations where remote access is useful. The device also supports Google Assistant, adding voice control to the setup. This can make controlling compatible equipment more convenient, particularly when reaching for a physical remote or smartphone is inconvenient. Combined with smartphone control, it gives the RM4 Mini a more connected role within a smart home environment. Another important consideration is what this product is actually designed to do. Its functionality is centered on infrared remote-controlled devices, so its usefulness depends on whether the equipment being controlled is compatible with infrared control. It is therefore best suited to users who want to make their existing compatible electronics more accessible through smart control, rather than looking for a completely new home automation system. Overall, the Broadlink RM4 Mini focuses on convenience, centralized control, remote smartphone access, and Google Assistant compatibility. Its strongest appeal is for households with multiple compatible infrared devices that want a simpler way to manage them. For users whose devices rely on other control technologies, compatibility should be considered before choosing this smart remote solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.